Hey everyone, it's Glenn with ERD. You know, the guy in the video. And today we're making a discussion video about the differences between a CPC2 and a CPC4. Lately, we've been starting to see a lot more CPC2s being sent in as if they're CPC4s. They are two different modules. This one right here is a CPC2 module, which on the label is clearly labeled just CPC, and it has the digits 82 in this location. The CPC4 is clearly labeled CPC4 and has either the digit 10 or 11 in this location. When you open them up, they're very different boards indeed. This is the CPC2 and this is the CPC4. Currently, this is in development, but we cannot repair these as of right now. But please continue to send in your CPC4s, which we provide expert service every day with our 3-year warranty.